Hi all, I am Pramod Gupta and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Data My Passion. So in this video, we are going to explore range function. So what is the purpose of range function in Python? Let's see that. So range function is used to generate a sequence of numbers. In order to use the range function, you have to use a keyword called range, and then since it's a function, you have to provide three arguments to it. The first argument is start. So the number from which the sequence has to be started. So that's what we have to provide. Then you have to provide the second argument as end of the number. Okay. And then third parameter is step size you have to mention. So let's see that with the help of example. Okay. Suppose you want to generate a number between 0 and 10. Okay. So you have to declare a range function like this: range opening bracket 0, 10. So this is your start number and this is your end number. So your value will be generated from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, not 10. Okay, so upper limit actually does not include it in the range function. So it will generate a sequence of number from 0 to 9. But if I execute the code, you will see it has given you an object reference 0, range 0, 10. So it does not actually generate a number and put it into memory locations. No, it does not like that. Whenever you try to use those sequence number, then only with the help of next, it gives you the next value to it whenever the code get executed. But if you want to explicitly see the range or sequence number, whatever is generated, so you have to use a list constructor on the top of range function. So here I have declare range function and I am giving 10. So you can skip the start position, like you can give this way also, but even this way will also work. So you are giving, if you just give one value, by default it will assume that you are giving end position. So it will generate a number from 0 till 9, and with the help of list, if you try to do that, it will give you a number between 0 to 9. You can see that here, and it will return you a list. Okay, list I'll be covering in my coming video. So this will give a list of values from 0 till 9. Okay, now let's see another example of range function. So here I am just trying to give you start position, end position, and the step size. Suppose you want to generate a sequence of number starting from 0 and it will end till 10 with the help of 2. It should take a jump of 2. So like 0 will be the first element, and then jump I have to take 2. So 0 and then 2 and then 6 and then 0, 2, 4, 6 and then 8. But whenever it try to jump to 10, but since you have range specified as 10 and it will go up to 9, that's why you are not seeing 10 number. It has given you number up to 8, right? So this is how you can generate a number in a positive direction. So when I say positive direction, what does it mean? So this particular sequence generation can happen in both sides, positive side and negative side. So what I'm saying, let me explain that clearly. Okay, so actually suppose this is your number line. Okay, 0 and then this is your 10. Okay, so whenever you say that 0 to 10, so you are going in this direction, right? And you are taking the jump of 2. So in the same direction you are going. But suppose if you specify the start position as 10, that is here, and then 0 as your end position, that is here. So this is your start, this is your end position. Okay, and you are taking a jump of -2. Okay, -2. So you are going in this direction, negative direction. So you started from here, you are going here, and you are taking jump also in the negative direction. So it will start a number 10. Okay, and it will take a jump of 2. So 10, 8, 6, 4 and 2. And since we have specified as 0, right, 0, it will not go up to 0 because, as I mentioned, end position always one less it will take. Okay, so it will not consider 0, it will go up to 1. Okay, so on the number line, as I mentioned, right, 0 and this is your 10. So this is your start position, this is your end position, this is your first value, right? So whenever it will try to go from 10 to 0, it will stop at this point. So 10 then 8, then 6, then 4, then 2, and then finally it try to go up to 0, but since your end limit is 1, it will not go there. So that's what output you will going to get, right? Okay, so this is one example where you can see a negative direction. You can also generate a number in a negative direction, right? And on the similar basis you can, so here I try to give the jump of 2 and here I try to give the jump of 1. So suppose you want to generate a number in a reverse order, right? Then this is the way you can do it. So you have to specify the range and then you have to specify -1. So it will generate the number in reverse order. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and so on till 1. Okay, so this is how range function is getting used. And this range function is very useful if you try to use it in for loop. So this is example I have given it here and you can see it here, right? So I have used a range function of 10. It means it will generate a number from 0 till 9 and we are trying to iterate these numbers and we are trying to print this number. And if I execute this code, you can see number 0, 1, 2, 3 till 9 it is printing. So that's how we can use this range function and it is very important. It is very useful function in Python and I hope you understood it. So if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And this Jupyter notebook will be available on my GitHub. Okay, and I have shared that link, GitHub link into my description section of this video. So please have a look. Thanks for watching.